Hi guys, Lindsay, and I run into this problem here, and I am going to show you how to fix this issue. And this problem basically is with the incorrect date. This MacBook Pro was probably put down for months and the battery was drained as well. So due to that, we have an incorrect date on this device. We need to change this. So I just want you to follow my lead step by step to get this resolved and going. So what we would need to do, we need to go to utilities there, go to terminal, and you want to put date, hit enter, so you can see that we have a 2001 date here, which is not synchronizing with the server. So you want to enter here date space month, day, and the time, and the minutes, and the year, and you want to hit enter. So this is what we have here right now, and we just changed the time. So I am going to close this now. So I am going to go and quit terminal, and we are back right here. So we want to reinstall the Mac OS. I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to hit continue here, and we would have to wait for a minute or so, and you can see that we have the agree screen here to install the Mac OS. So I am going to agree, and at the top I am going to agree here, and we can now install the OS. As you can see here, we selected the OS X base system, which consists of 318 gigabytes in total. I'm going to install it on this version here, so we are good to go. So that's how you fix that issue. I hope that this video was helpful. I am Lenz, and if this was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.